ion. All right. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. So thank you very much. Let's proceed. So we are saying that the chemoreceptors are receptors that are activated by chemicals. Examples are um, the chemicals that activate the taste buds in order for human beings to appreciate taste. All right, and then still under the chemoreceptors, we have smell or the olfactory receptors. Okay, these olfactory receptors are receptors that helps us as human beings to appreciate smell. Okay, whether something is smelling nice or bad. Of course, there are chemicals that activate these olfactory receptors for you to be able to know whether something is smelling nice or bad. Okay, so you need to go and find out firstly the chemicals that activate the chemoreceptors, such as the taste buds and the olfactory receptors in the nose, for human beings to be able to appreciate all forms of taste, and for human beings to be able to appreciate sweet smell and bad smell. All right, now the next um subtype of the exteroreceptors are the telereceptors. The telereceptors. Telereceptors are receptors that receive stimulus from distant areas. All right. Examples are the photoreceptors, such as the rods and the cones in the human retina or the human eye. Okay, for us to be able to appreciate vision, it is as a result of telereceptors such as rods and cones in the human eyes. For light and dark vision, which of these receptors are responsible? Yes. Who have I not asked question? Let me get your names. Um Aniviwe. Come. Is it Aniviwe Chidima? Turn on your mic. Sorry if I've murdered your name. So turn on your mic and tell me what your name is and answer the question. Yes? Okay, she's not present. She is not present. Christiana. Is it Christiana?
sir.
Okay. Yes. Christiana who?
Okoye.
Okoye. Okoye Christiana. Okay. For dark and light vision, which of these receptors are responsible? The rods or the cones? Yes?
The rods.
The what?
The rods
For
for light and dark visions.
Okay, the rod is responsible for light and dark visions.
Yes, sir.
Then the cones are responsible for what?
So I don't know.
Hmm. Okay. Who can help her? Okoye Christiana. Thank you very much. Who can help her? Have I called Okoye Christiana? Who is this Annie? I can't pronounce this name, and I don't want to murder the name. But I'm seeing
Sadikos
one.
are responsible for bright vision.
Huh? You say what? Okay, that student is absent. That student is absent. Okay, we proceed. Who do you all agree with what Christiana Okoye said? That the rods are responsible for dark and light vision, and the cones have no functions. If we agree, we can proceed with the class, so we don't waste time.
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
Who is speaking? Is that Obusera?
Sir, is the rod that is responsible for dark vision, while
Mm-hmm.
the cone is responsible for light vision.
Fantastic. Obusera, in fact, I'm owing you 10 million naira for answering this question. So, later you meet me for your check. Okay?
Okay, sir, I
Um,
will meet you.
uh-uh. If you can even come today, sef, better. So that I don't spend the money. Alright. So, we heard what she said. The rods are responsible for dark or night vision. So sometimes if you're at home and NEPA suddenly goes off, you'll see that after a while you'll be able to see some objects or person around you. That kind of vision at night or during the dark is being um, carried by the rods. The rods are some of the photoreceptors that are found in the retina, which transmits dark vision to the CNS for you to be able to appreciate the entire process of vision. And then during the day, every human being use the cones for bright or light visions. The cones are responsible for bright or light vision. Alright? Then, another example of the telereceptors are the hair cells in the organ of corti in the human ear. Okay? The hair cells that are found in the organ of corti of the human ear. These receptors or the hair cells pick sound stimulus from a distance, and that is the reason why human beings can hear what somebody is saying from afar. The same way you could see somebody from a distance, from afar, is the same way you could also see or hear